Hello everyone, this is Hitanshu Bhuta, a co-author of a book, Melange of Outpouring, which has been published by Spark Igniting Mind, and it is being edited by our most talented writer-editor, Shravanti Rai. First of all, I would like to thank our captain, Sahana Sundar, the founder of Spark Igniting Mind, a lady with kind heart and intellectual mind who has collaborated all our writers together on a one platform and given us an opportunity to express our talent through writing. In this book, I have two stories. The first is Happiness Inside, the story of two sisters who come across with many challenges of life and the way they manage the situation has taught them what is the real happiness is to be. We all have big plan, great dreams and a perfect framework in our mind how to move ahead, what we want from our life and how to achieve things. But it never ever works. May destiny have some different plan for us, but without understanding the depth, we start expressing our ego, anger, depression, jealousy, and which directly or indirectly affects our own family and take away the most happiest moment from us. But with cool, calm mind, we can achieve anything which we are lost in past with a perfect framework. The second story of mine is He Never Said I Love You. Yes, you guessed right. It's a love story. Generally, we come across with many jokes on married couple, and it has been expressed that a love after marriage is hard to find. But I believe nothing is perfect. Your love doesn't come in a posh attire, on a beautiful lens space, and a bunch of flowers in hand, and say, I love you. Love isn't perfect. Love is natural. Love comes in a small package which touches your heart with full respect, and the only I expression says, yes, I care for you. The book Melange of Outpouring is poured with many feelings and emotions, which is beautifully expressed by many talented writers. And I would highly recommend you to visit the land of emotions and express your comments in comment box. I'll be waiting for this. Namaste.